The switch button actuates the power switch to turn the tool on and off. The plastic button rubs against both the switch and a metal spring clip, and over time can become worn. The button can be broken if the tool is accidentally dropped. Replacing the switch button is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the motor cover from the router. With the cover removed, now I can remove the old switch button and install the new one. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the motor cover. And that's all it takes to install a new switch button on your laminate trimmer. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.
And leave a comment.